Hey guys, this is Quick Oil and Brake. Today I'm replacing engine air filter for a Hyundai Sonata 2015. If you see, pull out to open, you have to just a little bit solid force. These are a clip I already unlock. This is the lock position, and this is the unlock position. So once you unlock, there's a pull tab, so you have to pull the filter out, and you can see, oh my god, the filter is totally clogged. So I'm gonna replace with, I was looking the Napa gold one, but I couldn't get it, so I'm putting the Pro Select. It's still not bad, and I'm gonna slide. It's very easy to remove and install. So wait, first I'm gonna do like this and slide back into, and then you're gonna put in a lock position, and these three notches goes right over here. Okay, now it's secured. Thank you so much to watch my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a great day.